I think human-centered design can really be at the core of creating more gender equality. There's a really great book by Caroline Criado Perez called Invisible Women, and I think she's got some amazing examples and data around how women have been excluded or overlooked when it comes to design decisions. One of the examples in there is of car crash test dummies. She talks about how those test dummies are based on average male bodies, and that very often overlooks other body types, and also puts kind of people at risk because it's not testing for those different bodies. It means that women ultimately are more at risk of whiplash, and oftentimes standard seatbelt design and sizes don't fit them in later stages of pregnancy, things like that. These kinds of oversights happen all the time in tech, whether it's through the products we're designing or the algorithms that we use. So I think there's a real risk for individuals, but also for organisations, whether it's reputational risk, financial risk. And I think human-centred design could really help be a solution for that. For me, human-centred design is about putting the human in tech, and it means looking past the numbers and kind of focusing on a much deeper understanding of people, looking at their motivations, their emotions, their behaviours. And I think it requires you to use your skills of empathy to question your assumptions. And as long as you're using a diverse set of participants during your design process, then you'll be factoring in a really broad range of experiences, and ultimately you'll be designing something that is better for everyone, not just one group or one gender.